How to fix Instagram not showing all songs. The first method would be to switch your account type from business to personal or creator mode. So open your Instagram and go to your profile. Then tap on the menu at the top right corner. From your settings, scroll down to account type in tools and tap on it. And at the top, you can see what account type you have. Tap on it and you'll see you have a professional account. So that may be the reason you are not able to see all the songs. To switch account type to creator or personal, tap on switch account type, and from here you can tap on switch to personal account. Tap on it and tap on switch to personal account. And after your account has been switched, now you can try to upload the reels or your stories and you can find all the songs. Simply close the app and try to restart the app, and also long press on the application, tap on the app info icon. Now simply scroll down to the storage section and tap on clear case at the end to clear any corrupted or bugs. Now head back and tap on force stop just beside uninstall and tap on OK. Now finally close the application and now try opening and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.